welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophie Berger and welcome back to another episode of 5 ways to invest in 2 minutes. Today we're answering the question to invest in real estate or not. Let's go. Okay, so you guys know the drill by now. As usual, let's go ahead and put those 2 minutes on the clock, up there or up there, and let's get started. Real estate is probably the most profitable purchase in many people's lives. And what's really great about real estate is that you can actually live in the real estate that you purchase while you're waiting for its value to increase. And what's more is you probably don't need to pay taxes on these gains that you get after you sell your real estate once its value is increased. And if you do sell it, the government will actually probably grant you a tax break. What's good about this is that you won't actually get scared out of your real estate like with the stock market once housing prices decline, for example. Because if you invest in stocks and you see, oh, stock prices are declining, a lot of people, they just start selling because they're scared. I made a video talking about stocks already and different strategies. So this isn't the strategy that I would recommend you to follow. Go ahead and check those videos out. But yeah, so that's what's good about the real estate market. If you purchase real estate, you probably won't get scared out of the housing market once prices start to decline a little bit. What's also really good with real estate is that you can purchase it with borrowed money, for example, a mortgage. And real estate values actually increase usually at approximately the same rate as inflation. But if you do sell your real estate, you will probably be better off than just breaking even with what you paid, because 20% of your initial payment is the down payment, and you only have to pay interest on that 80% that you actually got lent by the bank and not the full price of the house, since 20% is that upfront down payment. So that's a lot of benefits when it comes to investing in real estate. However, one big kind of shortcoming of investing in real estate is that you, as the homeowner, as the real estate owner, have to pay for services, repairments, and anything that comes along with actually taking care of real estate, which can get quite expensive quite quickly. So yeah, I think it worked out pretty well with the time, also this time, but we do still have one more episode of this 5 ways to invest in 2 minutes coming for you guys. Stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode as well. Let me know if you have invested in real estate, if you're thinking about investing in real estate, what your opinions are. I'd really love to know. And if you enjoyed this video in any shape or form, leave a like down below, share it with anyone that's thinking about investing in real estate, anyone that's interested in investing or the real estate market. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, in order to see more of this type of content and a lot more content on my channel. So yeah, take care and I'll see you soon.